know some of y'all was like, where is we at? We're in my cat's bathroom. Today, we are doing my edges. Okay, so at this point I'm doing my edges, and I use the popular edge brush or a old toothbrush, and I use the 24-hour edge tamer to do the first round of my edges, and then to seal them in and just make sure they don't really go anywhere, I use the She's Bomb Goo, but that product works so much better by itself. Using edge control allows me to be able to get rid of it quicker. Hey! Who the fuck? Who the fuck? He's not baby no more. I'm just gonna scare him. Welcome to the vlog. We are on the way to his art show. We're gonna go pick up his friend first. And then go. Yeah, I forgot to put moisture on my front twist like that. But it's fine. I know it's not. Well, yeah, these are the shirts.
Then turn right.
Yes, I'm getting a shirt. Dang it! Let me drop my phone. Like my hair, you can see, like this is like perfectly coiling, and then this one is like. Yeah, it's gonna be a lit day. I'm trying to figure out if I should keep these shades on or no. I feel like it adds to the aesthetic. Yeah, add on to it because like the pops of the shine. I'm gonna holla at y'all later. I need to stop doing that. I don't know.
There are hotels right now.
But I do like the alternate one better. You like the alternate downstairs? Album cover.
I'll get something downstairs.
Yeah, I remember I saw that, and then I saw this. I was like, whoa, hold on. I didn't think. Wait a minute. But yeah, that is pretty nice. And I didn't even see. You didn't even see the chair. No, we didn't yesterday. Oh, that is what's up. Yeah. I like that. And that's the digital piece that you told us about yesterday. It's really nice.
Okay. This is an art gallery called The Corner Charlotte, and it is located in Charlotte, North Carolina. They have art shows where they pick someone to base the theme around, and this time it's Travis Scott. These are some shoes my boyfriend did. His name is Keith, and his Instagram is artindigo94. You can purchase these shoes if you like. Just contact him on Instagram. The show is really, really amazing. It has all kinds of pieces, all kinds of music, all kinds of interesting things. And I just wanted to give a little introduction, but I'll let you guys enjoy the rest. shorts riding up crazy. But we're going here, y'all. You already know what it is. Luther Vandross in the building. He right here. I'm kidding. Need a cart. Lucas need to get in the cart. Okay. Okay. This is cute. It's giving. All we got is pool clothes. Clothes. That skirt is cute. I hope you want some jean shorts. Yeah. They go over and then these are shorts. I wanna. Okay, yeah. I think these are good. Might look for a graphic t-shirt. Cute. Hey. They're really short and they're clear, but I'm just gonna like jewel them. And I guess like y'all can watch me jewel them. This candy I got from Earthbound. It is so good. It's called Chewy Fruities by Tori Howard. I don't know that brand, but it's really good. It's like a chewy, really natural or more organic version of a Starburst. It looks like that. But I just shot the camera here so y'all can see what I'm doing because my face isn't important at this point.
By the way, you look good. Thanks. I started working out. I just haven't finished yet.
Listen up, everybody. My lookout says that Eddie's just around the corner.
Damn, everybody will be fine. Hello. Where is everybody? I'm just here to hang.
This is weird.
Expecting anything. All this for me. Y'all blowing my mind.
Happy birthday,
Dang, are both here. Again, no idea.
All right, y'all, let's get this party started.
Well, at least both his parents are the same skin tone. Yeah.
Family mix,
I need something like a book.
Michael, remember this song?
We tested it at our wedding.
Do you still got it?
Oh, I got it. And it's contagious. So back up now. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So these are the stones I'm using.
Just like in your vision.
Yeah, what you see is what I saw, but what I saw is not what you see. You see what I'm saying?
Let's say that again. I might stick some money in my ear.
Doing, right? You're messing up my big finale. Yeah, sorry about that. Listen, I have something to tell you. I just don't know how to.
Why the hell am I paying child support when this man is 32?
Wildin' Out all new Tuesday at 8.
Hey, thanks for watching my video. Know you watching the Cobby Show. Come back and get some more. Hey, you already know what it is, what it ain't. Don't be mad, cause you can't. Oh my gosh, you guys come back and watch another one of my videos. I love